Python, how to find exact match in a list and not just contained in a word within list. I'm trying to find an exact match for a word in a list of words, either in a list or a list from a text document separated by a word per line. But using in returns true if the word is contained in the list of words. I'm looking for an exact match. For example, in Python, February 7, 2012. This will return true, but I want it to only be true if it's an exact match. Cat should not return true if Catherine is in my list. And trying to use if cat equals names, does seem to work. How would I go about returning true only if the string I'm looking for is an exact match of a list of words, and not contained within a word of a list of words?
You can use indirectly on the list. X.
You can use equals instead of in. I think it will work.
Rakesh has given an answer to archive you task. This is just to make a correction to your statement. Actually cat equals names, this returns false. The thing is you are missing the else part to catch that.
You can use in with if-else conditional operator.